Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix MMS messaging option missing from iPhone. So for this, first send a text MMS. Ask a friend to send you an MMS message. The second fix, go to settings, check settings, and tap on messages. Now see if the MMS option has appeared or not. If your MMS option is not appearing, simply what you can do, reset your mobile. For this, in settings tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode, tap on reset all settings, and simply it will fix your problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.